If you're running Odoo POS, you know the daily grind of its printing workflow. You're clicking through pop-ups, your staff is waiting, and the kitchen gets backed up. Well, we're going to talk about how to fix that for good.
So, are you just tired of that printer selection dialog box popping up with every single transaction? I mean, it's just one little click, but when you're busy, it becomes a massive bottleneck.
Here's the friction point. Your staff processes an order, and everything just grinds to a halt. They have to stop what they're doing and manually pick a printer. That means receipts get delayed, and even worse, kitchen tickets show up late. It's a real workflow killer that costs you time and just plain frustrates your customers.
We're talking about 10 to 15 seconds of just dead time per transaction. Now that might not sound like a lot, but multiply that by hundreds of orders a day, and you're literally paying your staff to click through menus instead of actually serving customers.
So how do we fix this? The solution is called Ultraprint, and it's designed specifically to make Odoo POS printing completely and totally frictionless.
It's a really simple, software-only solution. It's got two parts: an Odoo add-on you get from the official App Store, and a tiny little Windows app called the Ultraprint Hub. That's it. No extra hardware to buy, no weird third-party cloud services. And here's the magic. Your Odoo system, whether it's in the cloud or on-premise, just sends the print job to the Ultraprint Hub running on your local Windows PC. Then the hub instantly routes it to the right printer right there on your network. It's direct, it's simple, and it's fast. Now the key here is that it works with any printer your Windows PC can see. It handles both your customer receipts and your kitchen tickets, and you can even set it to automatically route orders based on product category. So drinks go to the bar and food goes to the kitchen. It all happens on its own in just a few seconds.
All right, let's talk about the economics of this. The actual tangible return on your investment.
First thing you need to know, the hardware cost is zero. It just uses the Windows PC you already have at the counter. And the time to get it up and running? We're talking about 15 minutes. This is not some big, complicated IT project.
And here's the real payoff. By saving those few seconds on every single transaction, the average business gets 30 to 50 hours of staff time back every single month. That is time they can spend with customers instead of fighting with a printer dialog box.
So let's just recap that value. A 15-minute setup and zero hardware cost gets you 30 to 50 hours of productivity back every month. It's a simple subscription model, and we have tiers for different business sizes.
So is this for you? Let's be really clear about who this is built for. This is for small cafes that just need dead simple, reliable receipt printing. It's for restaurants that need to instantly sync up the front of house with the kitchen. And it's for multi-location retailers who need a consistent, efficient checkout process everywhere.
Now, one really important note. You do need at least one Windows PC on your network to act as the print hub. So if your setup is 100% tablets with no Windows machine in sight, this isn't going to be the right solution for you. We just want to be upfront about that.
Ultraprint is already out there, being used today by retail shops and restaurants. And the feedback we get is pretty simple and direct. Works perfectly. 10 out of 10.
This one really highlights the reliability, not just of the software, but of the team behind it. Fast reply, solved efficiently.
And this is really the promise we stand by. Smooth implementation, works as advertised. No hype. It's just a tool that does exactly what it's supposed to do.
So if you're ready to just eliminate this friction once and for all, getting started is incredibly straightforward.
Here's all you have to do. Step 1, find Ultraprint on the Odoo App Store. Step 2, install the add-on. And Step 3, download the Ultraprint Hub to your Windows PC. Seriously, you'll be printing seamlessly in just a few minutes.
And to make sure your setup is absolutely perfect, every purchase comes with 60 days of free support directly from us at Odoo Skills.
So, the final question is pretty simple. Are you ready to automate your printer routing, stop all those daily interruptions, and give your team back dozens of hours every month so they can focus on what actually matters, your customers?
If the answer is yes, just find Ultraprint in the Odoo App Store or head over to odooskills.com/shop to get started. It's direct printing with zero hardware and a real, measurable ROI. Stop wasting time and start printing smart.